Hi, I'm Fuller with Galahad Marine Sales down here in Grasonville, Maryland. I have a great boat I'd like to talk to you about today. It's the Starcraft Fishmaster 210. So this boat is a fisherman's dream. It does come pre-wired for a trolling motor. You've got your double battery housing system in there. Also for your trolling motor. The base here, your seating is adjustable. These seats come out. You can just leave them, set them up however you like. Only 2 people going out on your boat. You leave 2 of the seats at home. You have all that extra space in your boat. So one of the great things about this boat also is all the storage that it has. You've got a little bit of in-floor storage in here. You've got a lockable box here. You've got your box is lockable as well. And then you also have a little spot here for your tackle box. There's more in-floor storage back here. And inside there's your full isinglass enclosure, which is great for inclement weather. Got a little more storage back here as well. And then under your gunnels, you've got your rod storage as well. Another great option on this boat are these rails up here, which you can use to customize using Bert's custom tackle, all your rod holders, net holders, whatever you need to make this boat. Max horsepower for this boat is 200. That'll get you a fishing hole pretty quickly. Come see us at the Annapolis Boat Show or give us a call at 1-833-GALAHAD.